Over the years, we've seen big creators such as Mr. Beast, Graham Stephen, or Meet Kevin make banks out of YouTube. But how much money can you realistically expect to earn for your first year on YouTube? This is what you'll find in this video, where I'll share with you the full earnings that I've made out of YouTube for my first year of being monetized on it. Hey, how's it going, guys? It is Olivier, and today we'll dive deep down into my YouTube analytics to see how much money I've been able to make out of YouTube in 2024. But it is important to note that before being monetized on this platform, you need to reach certain thresholds. First, to be monetized on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers, as well as over 4,000 hours of watch time over the last 365 days. Everyone has a different time lapse before to reach this threshold, but personally, it took me about 3 years of consistent and less consistent upload before to be monetized. And on October 26th of 2023, I have finally made it. On YouTube, there are multiple ways on how you can start earning money, but the most famous one by far is Google AdSense. Google AdSense gives you the possibility to add different advertisements on your videos, and every time that someone watches it, it makes that you are earning a certain commission of the advertisement budget. This is called the CPM. The CPM, or the cost per mille, basically represents what is the cost paid by the advertisers for 1,000 views on your videos. Usually, YouTube channels that are treating different subjects such as business, how to make money online, and education are generating a higher CPM than other channels talking, for example, about gaming. In these earning niches, the advertisers are usually willing to pay between $5 to over $35 per 1,000 views. However, it is also important to note that your CPM will be impacted by who your viewers are and where they come from. Usually, people that are watching gaming videos are younger people that don't necessarily have the same financial power as older people that might be watching different financial videos. This means that advertisers are usually willing to pay more to promote their products and services to these people that have more power to potentially buy them. On the other hand, your CPM will also be massively impacted depending on which countries are your viewers watching your different videos. Typically, countries such as the US, UK, Australia, and Canada will tend to have higher CPM than other different countries. However, it is important to understand that YouTube will also take directly its cut from the CPM, which is usually between 45% of it. So in your case, what is truly important to understand is the revenue per mille, or the RPM. This RPM will basically be the measure that will show you how much money do you have directly in your pocket from 1,000 views on your videos. For instance, on my side, my RPM tends to be between $6 to $8 per 1,000 views. And so with these requirements, you can understand that to be able to generate a lot of money out of YouTube, you need either to have a large community or also to be in a high-paying niche. But before to see how much money I've been able to make out of Google AdSense in 2024, let's check out what are the different other income sources that could come from YouTube. First, you have the sponsorship option, where you can provide certain companies the possibility to promote different of their products and services to your audience. This is a great way that is used by many big creators on YouTube to generate a high amount of money on a fixed basis. But it is important to understand that to attract big sponsors, obviously you need to have a large audience. On my side, personally, I haven't made any money in the past from this option. Another way on how you can make money out of YouTube is with affiliate marketing. With this method, you'll be promoting different products or services to your audience with a promotion link in usually your description of your videos. And every time basically that someone is buying the product or the service, it makes that you will receive a certain commission out of it. So this is another great variable source of income for some YouTubers that have a wide audience, once again, to generate enough traffic on their videos. Personally, if you look at the description in my videos, you can see that I have different affiliate links, notably linked to different Amazon products. In my case, the only thing that I am promoting is basically different books that I love reading to increase my knowledge, notably linked to personal finance, and also promote different online resources that you can use to invest in Canada or in the US, for example, ShakePay or Moomoo. But in that case, once again, I haven't made any big money out of it in 2024. Also, if you have an audience big enough, you could also decide to sell your own products or courses, for example. This could be an excellent side hustle, especially for all the gurus online that are trying to sell their own program. Personally, at the moment, I don't have any courses or formation that I want to sell you. However, in the near future, if you guys tell me that you have some interest, I might create a certain formation in French and in English on how to invest in the stock market in Canada. And finally, the last method that I'll be incorporating to my business model in 2025 will be the mentorship option. At the beginning of 2025, with the experience that I've built as a financial analyst, helping a lot of different financial advisors to optimize and build great portfolios for their clients, as well as my personal experience on how I've been able to invest in the stock market over the past 5 years, I will be offering mentorship possibilities to people that are interested to learn more about personal finance and how to optimize their own portfolio. So if you guys are interested towards it, we will first start by making a free call to see if I'll be able to help you with your different needs. And if you are interested after it, you can write me in my Gmail that will be found in the description of this video. But now let's come back to my YouTube numbers and let's take a look at my YouTube analytics. As I mentioned earlier, I first got monetized on YouTube at the end of 2023, where you can see that I first started to earn some money on the 26th of October of 2023, earning about 78 cents for the day. And then throughout the whole year, it has been fluctuating to about a few dollars per day to my max earning day, which was on the 30th of December 2023, where I've earned about $5 for the whole day. This has made that in 2023, I've made about $118 from YouTube by generating close to 94,000 views and over 4.5 thousand hours of watch time. In 2024, you can see that I've been generating a little bit more views throughout that whole year, where I've been making over 97,000 views up to date, which results in 5.1 thousand hours of watch time and close to 654 subscribers gained on the channel throughout 2024. And you can see that I've also been making a few dollars per day throughout the whole 2024, with the highest paying day, which was on the 3rd of April, generating close to $10 of gain. And so this has made that throughout 2024, I have generated over $732 from Google AdSense. You can obviously see that the amount of money that I will be generating on YouTube will obviously depend on the views that I've been making throughout that same period, where over the last couple of weeks, I've been able to generate a little bit more money because I've been able to make a few more views on my total videos, which has resulted from certain videos that have become pretty popular, notably the ones about the bell, which has been exploding lately to over 2.6 thousand views. What is also pretty interesting to see with YouTube Analytics is the fact that you can see videos per videos how well your videos are performing. For example, in this one, you can see that it has well started with about 1,400 views in the 2 first days that have been publishing it. And since that point, it has been consistently continuing to increase its total views. So only this video has been generating close to $17 up to date of profit. But now if we go to one of my most viewed videos on this channel, which is the only 3 ETFs that you need to have in your portfolio, you can see that I'm currently close to 22,000 views on it with over 1.3 thousand hours of watch time, and most importantly 158 subscribers gained only from this video, which has actually been resulting in over $176 of profit from it. But keep in mind that, for example, with this video, I haven't been making some money at the beginning when it was published because I wasn't monetized. But what is truly interesting about it is that it has been published over 1 year ago and it is still making some money up to this date. It is also pretty interesting to take a look at the content table on YouTube, where you can take a look at the long form content where I've made over 94,000 views on it, where you can also see the amount of impressions. So how many times does my videos appear, for example, on the front page of YouTube? And in my case, you can see that my videos have been showed over 1 million times on the YouTube pages, for example, throughout that last year. You also have the click-through rate. So what is the amount of people that will be clicking on your different videos? And you also have the average view duration, which is the amount of time that people will be taking a look at your videos. You also have other interesting metrics such as where your viewers are finding your videos, for example, from browse features, which comes as the largest place, and after you have YouTube search. You can also see what are the most viewed videos throughout 2024, where, as I mentioned, the only 3 ETFs that every Canadian needs is the first one by far. You can also see who your audience is, for example, when your viewers are on YouTube. So what are the best place to put and upload new videos, as well as where are your viewers watching your videos. So with no surprise, you can see that over 75% of my total viewers are watching from Canada. But what is also pretty surprising for me personally as a statistic is the fact that over 85% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So make sure to subscribe to encourage the channel. And you can also see the demographics. So about 95% of you guys are male and you are mainly located between 25 and 54 years old. And what is also interesting is the amount of revenue that you are able to generate from Google AdSense per month. So you can see that the biggest month by far was March, where I've been able to generate over $100 for the whole month. And you can also see that the least paying month in 2024 was August, where I've made only about $45 for the month. Overall, I'm pretty happy about 2024 and what it brought me. I love seeing the community grow year after year, and I'm looking forward to see what 2025 will be offering me. Even if I haven't made any big money out of YouTube in 2024, it isn't that much important for me, because for me, what is truly important is the process behind it and the impact to help others with their personal finance journey. In any ways, I'm just glad to be making some money out of a passion to make videos about a subject that truly passionate me, even if it's taking a lot of hours to make. And so, as I told you earlier, if on your side you're looking to talk with me and to have a direct approach with me to see how you could optimize your portfolio for the long term and to see if my personal services can meet your needs, you can write me in my Gmail and we can book a free call to see if I can help you with this. And on your side, if you're looking to discover what are the newest tax changes that could have a high impact on you in 2025, well, check out the video that's gonna be right over here, and I will see you soon. Peace.